Continue from the previous lesson or open the file roadoutline04.max. We have created our new closed shapes that represent the outlines of the roads. We're going to learn to attach shapes. We learned so far that a shape can have one spline. That's been the case so far. However, shapes can have more than one spline, in which case they become known as a compound shape. These can be useful for further editing or creating more complex 3D objects. We're going to attach the two outline shapes into a single shape made of two splines. Start by selecting the Road Outline 01 object. It's a shape made of a single spline. In the Modify panel, we need to scroll to the top of the Modify panel parameters area. We're looking for an option under the geometry rollout called Attach. You may also use Attach Multiple if you have a lot of shapes that you're going to attach together. We can attach multiple shapes by clicking on them using the Attach button, or many shapes all at once by using the Attach Multiple button. Now, even though we're only going to attach one shape, there are many times, because of how difficult selecting an object is, the Attach Multiple option is much faster. In the geometry rollout of the Modify panel, click Attach Multiple. This brings up a dialog with a list of possible shapes that we could attach. We only want to highlight Road Outline 02. Then click the Attach button at the bottom right of the dialog. This will ensure that we get the correct shape attached. Now this is one complete 2D shape made up of two splines. Now let's double check and make sure that we have two splines. With Road Outline 01 selected, click on the Spline subobject level in the Modifier Stack view. If we click over here, we'll see one spline turns red. This is the 60-foot wide road. If we click over here, we have the 40-foot wide road. This is now what is known as a compound shape. This can now be edited differently than if it were two separate shape objects. We've attached two shapes into a single shape with two splines. As before, click on the top level of the modifier stack to exit subobject mode. Press Ctrl S to save the file.